Just like their 1-inch counterparts, all-in-one 3-inch power tabs are a perfect solution for all pool types and filters. They're not just gentle on your equipment, but also prevent corrosion and metal staining, giving you continuous protection against those pesky bacteria and algae. Place one tablet for every 10,000 gallons of pool water into a designated floating dispenser. Each tablet is individually wrapped for safe and easy handling, so you never have to make direct contact with the chlorine. Generally, all-in-one 3-inch power tabs dissolve slowly, but the process speeds up in warmer water. Check on your floater more frequently during warmer weather and replace the tablet as needed. A couple of things to remember. Never throw these tablets directly into the pool. Don't let them touch plastic liners or metals. Never mix them with other products or dissolve them before adding to your pool. If you have any questions or concerns about all-in-one 3-inch power tabs or your water quality, feel free to contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.